Hey guys, what's up? This is more of a tech lead-esque video. As you can see, I'm not in my room. That's because before I started filming this, I was kind of editing the blacklisted words on the Telegram because we are having so many issues with not so many issues. I think it's only like 4 messages that were kind of getting blacklisted without any reason for it being blacklisted. So yeah, what's up guys? How you guys doing today? It is December, almost Christmas, and right now we have like 6 partnerships in the works. So we are I think basically what's gonna happen is we're gonna end up developing apps straight into the Christmas period, which is if you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you will know that last year I uploaded a video where I spent Christmas alone. So are we gonna have a repeat of that? No. But doesn't really matter. Um so what do I have for you guys today? Well, we've actually kind of settled on the NFT drop that we want to do. We've partnered up with MoonApe. I think that's the name of the. I think that's the name of them. We're going to create a Twitter account. I will probably do a giveaway through that. Also, newspapers are ready. I could show you them right now, but I won't show you. But they are ready right now. We're going to give some newspaper out to the Liverpool community to kind of give them an idea of the people who are currently partnered with. We have a few stories in there and a few articles. You know how newspapers are. I don't need to describe to you guys what they are. Yeah, that's what we're doing with the Peepl newspaper. That's out of the way. I guess that's it. So generally, what are we doing? In fact, while I'm on the topic of the whole Telegram thing, there was an interesting fellow who came in and kind of dropped a very difficult question. I think I'll put it right here. I'll put the question right there. So basically, I saw this question. I was working and I saw this question. I was like, "Oh, that's a cool question." And then I decided to kind of answer it. I gave a long ass answer. If you're in the Telegram group, you would see it. If you're not, you can join this link in the description down below. So I gave like a long-winded answer, and then when I sent it, I saw the CEO typing in the Telegram group chat. And I was like, "Shit." I just answered in place of the CEO, and I was like, "Fuck, man, I've messed up. This is when I get fired." But now he had a laugh about it. It was a really cool thing that happened, and I guess that kind of spurred the discussion of maybe we should kind of get a bit more structure around the way we reply stuff. Not a bit more structure. I don't know. But it just started a conversation of okay, what exactly are we gonna do with this platform long into the future? Because right now we're mostly working on payments gateways or on like providing a separate form of payments for local businesses and a way for them to get reward. But I've been proposing that maybe down the line we kind of have a DAO and we have ways to fund the DAO's treasury, so we can kind of open up a way to help communities for them to actually vote on community proposals, so the treasury can fund those projects without us even needing to be involved. But like I said, this is not me speaking for the company. This is just like some proposals that I've thrown into the air here and there, and it may be being considered. You don't know. Also, there's a video that I've kind of promised you guys I'll make. I'm not gonna say the name because I'm tired of saying the name. So that video might be the next video that comes up. Keep in mind, guys, I haven't written Solidity code in the longest time, and why is that? Because I more fell in love with the Cardano blockchain, and I just thought it's a waste of time for me to keep on learning Solidity if I'm not going to be building on Binance Smart Chain or on Ethereum. So yes, that is why. Although I got something, I'll show you guys. Yeah, I got this book. It's a hard copy, which is like whatever. Because I've been mostly focusing on learning Dart language, the Dart programming language. I've been going through that book as well because I want to focus a bit more on being a very good front end developer before I branch out into other things. Because most times, no matter what you're going to build, you need to have a way to visualize or interact with your project. So a year is not really that long of a time to to spend writing code. So and that I kind of figure out that later when I joined this company that I know a bit but I don't know near enough. So I've been focusing on building my skills in Flutter and Dart just to kind of get better at that. There's a project I was working on, a solo project, by the way. I wouldn't say what it is, but I was working on that. That's why I even submitted to be able to get my actual developer certificate from Binance. It's still in the works, although I've been kind of lazy with it because I've been doing my PhD, which at this point I'm tired, man. I just want to drop out, bro. Honestly, I've had enough, but I'm managing work as well, so I think I'm going to pick up this project. There was a missing part that made me kind of abandon this project for a bit, and that was identity management systems. But I guess this is the first time I'm going to mention this on my YouTube. I was invited to the IHK organization. If you check my GitHub, you can see there that in order to test out Atala Prism and maybe build out some applications for that. So yes, I've been very lazy with that, especially considering that that was the missing thing to actually make my project work. So I've been doing that. I kind of helped with a speech for a government talk that is going to happen soon. Yeah, so that's what I've kind of been up to over the past few months, weeks, whatever. Just, generally try to become a better developer, man, because, a lot of people overestimate what you can do in 1 year, but underestimate what you can do in 10 years. So I'm just trying to keep on building up some skills to be able to, kind of go to the next level and whatever. So I hope you guys are doing well. For a lot of you guys that started CS50 because of the video I uploaded before, I hope you guys have actually still continued on with that. It's almost the new year, January 2022. Things are going well, both personally and with the company. So I'm happy that we're still out here. We're still trucking on. And yeah, by the way, since we're here, mini desk setup review. I got this keyboard and this is a blessing. Also, I got a mouse to kind of match it. So yeah, makes typing more fun. Also, we reached 1,000 subscribers. I almost forgot. This was the last thing I recorded, so I may edit it to be a bit forward. So we reached 1,000 subscribers. Now I think we're on 1,150 subs, which is phenomenal, guys. Like, considering beginning of this year I was on 200, and that's when I was uploading FIFA videos that are no longer available on this channel because I said a lot of things I probably shouldn't be saying while I was playing my opponents. So yeah, we've reached 1,000 subs. Thank you everyone for subscribing. I hope you guys are still watching the videos and still enjoying it. If anyone has any suggestion on what I should do with these videos, just put it in the comments below. I'm always taking suggestions because now that I've been uploading kind of weekly, I'm kind of running out of ideas on what to say on these videos. So yeah, if you have any suggestions, let me know. If you guys still want me to talk a bit more about cryptocurrencies and blockchain, you can let me know as well because the space is actually exploding. There's this podcast about the exponential age that I would recommend everyone to watch. I think I'll put that in the comment section or in the description as well. You guys should really watch it by Rob Paul. It's really interesting. He talks about community building and how social tokens can kind of be the next phase, which I'm on board with because when you think about it and you ask yourself what is money, cryptocurrencies and all this would not actually have any adoption if not for the communities around them. I'm sure we can all agree technology is great and all that, but that's the technology on the blockchain end of things. But the cryptocurrencies themselves don't really have any value without community. So that's why we've been kind of also trying to incorporate those values into the Peepl token, because eventually we're going to, currently right now we're kind of fixing the price, but eventually we're going to release that to the open public. So we're learning a bit about community building, and we might mess up here and there with community building, so kind of be patient with us. I'm currently the community manager, but I don't have any experience in community building. I'm just freestyling all the way, so have patience. But yeah, things are doing great. Lots of partnerships in the works and lots of videos hopefully here and there. By the way, since we reached 1,000 subs, I'm talking to my CEO Leon about upgrading, because currently I kind of film all this on an iPhone and I edit it on an iPhone. So we've been thinking of new setups and all that to experiment with, to kind of make these videos more professional. So yeah, if you guys want upgraded videos, make sure to join the Telegram group chat and write hashtag Leon sponsor Robina. And I will make higher quality videos. So yes, I'll see you guys in a bit, man. Later.